Plus Todd knows how. Hey Todd, you know how to run a video camera?
I got it here. I'll just run this one.
He's got it. Can you gun it from up there?
Yes, I got it. Get it up to top speed. Check that. Off of the original.
Where the fuck they going? They're going with the current now.
Yeah, yeah.
Let me get the fucking road.